Welcome back to Diljan Solutions. Today we will discuss startup project initiation. The project initiation principle: before we start any project, we must answer the right questions. A project should never begin with technology. It should begin with purpose, feasibility, value, and impact. Every successful project, whether small or global, must pass through a basic but powerful evaluation framework before execution begins. The thumb rule of project initiation: before starting any project, we must clearly define and validate 5 core dimensions. 1. Feasibility. Can this project realistically be done? Is it technically possible, legally permitted, and financially viable? Is it operationally manageable, and is it scalable? We must look at technology readiness and infrastructure. Feasibility includes technology readiness, legal and regulatory compliance, and infrastructure availability. Also, talent and skills, cost versus resources, risk level, and time to market. Important note: if a project is not feasible, it should not start, no matter how good the idea is. 2. Value. What problem does it solve? Who is suffering from this problem today? Why does it matter? 3. Benefit. Who benefits and how? We must define direct benefits for users, customers, and institutions. Indirect benefits include economic impact and efficiency. A project without clear beneficiaries is not a project, it's an experiment. 4. Sustainability. Can it operate for years, not months? Is the model and ecosystem sustainable? Projects must be living systems, not one-time builds. They must be able to survive long-term. 5. Scalability. Can it grow without breaking? Can it expand geographically and handle more users? A good project grows without redesigning everything. A great project grows. It evolves with technology. Next video we'll discuss about a small startup project initiation framework. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Diljan Solutions to get latest training video.